Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll show you how you can save photos from archived Instagram stories. Okay, let's get started. Select your profile. Then select three line in the top right corner. Then you can select archive. So here, appear the posts, stories or reels you archived. Okay, these are stories that I have archived. And to save photo from it, just select this one you want to save the photo. For example, select three dot at the bottom. Then select Save Photo. And you can see, this saved. And you can check it in your gallery. Easy, right? I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much.